Ute moko ariyo mag yango jamni counties ma Bomet kod Narok itimo ne nonro kuom yango jamni matuo ataro mar chik. Matoko bila fwenyo kendo chungo nyamburko manyo oting'o jamni 5 matuo kowuok e kar yango jamni mayudore gwenge ma Maboleo, boma ma Transmara, koch ma Mulot Central. Jalup komanda ma Bomet Bashir Ali owacho ni dreba mar nyamburko no mane gindhiyo ka joma moko noringo kendo lal kendo nyaka sani jamni go nie tesendo bila ma Bomet.
Officers drawn from county enforcement manning toll point along Chebole Bomet Highway stopped a motor vehicle D-Max, and upon checking found 5 bone fine. They found the same to be emaciated and appearing unhealthy. It seems the business is being undertaken secretly, and we have advised members of the public to desist from such malpractices. They should always get their meat or meat products from their butcheries, which is always inspected. We have deployed our officers along the major highways, and we shall arrest the situation.